Hello guys, it's Investigator Aiden here. Today will be Wheelman, Subway Ghost. This one won't be a long video, because I need to get to finishing the game. It's located right about here, next to Deisel Cologne, whatever that is. Oh yeah, I'm going to show you. As you can see, there's a long way all the way there. And this ghost, it just likes to make cracks. You can't actually see the ghost. And it makes a light. It makes to make lights flicker on and off. A lot of them. Can you hear that? Creaking? And once I started it, I heard like a beep beep at the beginning of the subway. And there's no cars. It's an abandoned subway. And the subway is the one to where the mission is, to where you have to rescue Miguel. In case you didn't notice it or recognize it. Well, once we get back to the beginning, I'll be ending it. So yeah, right here, as you can see, the mission. So I'll be ending it right here. Bye guys. And remember, located right here. It was the mission where you had to rescue Miguel in the subway. So peace out.